My name is Trevor Spence, and I am the math teacher here at Healing Roots Online School. I am very lucky and very happy to be a part of the team, and I appreciate you guys being here today. So let's not waste any time. Let me jump into what I've got to say. I just want to talk about my philosophy behind teaching, the way I like to teach, what I like to use, what a class would kind of look like as well. So yeah. Let's do it. A lot of the time when you hear people complain about math, you hear, I'm never going to use this. I'm never going to use this in the real world. Well, what I like to do is kind of show you what it looks like when you're seeing this in the real world. If we're learning about area or perimeter, okay, let's try and find the perimeter of our house. Let's try and find the area of the room I'm currently in. Not only do you want to show that you can use these things in real life and that they have real life application, but let's see it right now. Let's prove it right this second. To explain this, I would much rather, instead of just looking at this paper here and comparing the weights between the two, we can do this paper as well, but I think it would be a lot more beneficial to have this be independent work, where instead I can bring a scale to class and have different items, and we, myself and the students, can weigh out the items and then compare between the two or three and then convert different amounts maybe. Or recently, what we did when teaching volume is I had each student bring a sphere to the next class. And what we did is we measured out the radius, we filled in the formula, and we found out what the volume was of different items. Now, they didn't have to be perfect circles. I had a ball of yarn and a tennis ball. Not perfect by any means, but it's real life application that the kids are seeing right in front of their eyes. Now, I think we've done really good so far. I think we've done great. And one thing I've learned as I've progressed this year is that we started off really focusing just kind of on really sticking to the book, going through the book, getting page and page and page and page done. But I've noticed the more and more that we have tied in these project-based ideas or activities, that not only the students have been doing better, the students have been participating better, but I think they have a much better understanding of what we're doing because they're doing it themselves. Now, this does take a little extra work. Normally it has to do with printing an extra worksheet out or having colored markers or tape or scissors prepared by the before class, but some of these activities that we've been doing recently I think have been really successful, and is something that I want to go into next year really focusing on, making it a much more project-based kind of math class than just sitting and going through the textbook. So from myself, Trevor Spence, I just want to say thank you very much. I appreciate you all being here and sitting through the video as well. Hopefully you've learned a little bit about myself and the math class at Healing Roots. So thank you. Have a great day.